everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today we installed CarPlay in an Alfa Romeo, and we just want to show you how the unit works. So technically we add Apple CarPlay Android Auto to the factory screen of the Alfa Romeo, and it's very easy to operate. It uses factory Bluetooth, factory mic, so it doesn't require to run any auxiliary input, or let's say if like aftermarket microphone doesn't require any of those. You can use factory mic, factory Bluetooth for the best quality of connecting your phone to our CarPlay or Android Auto. And the operating is very easy. By holding the menu button for a few seconds, it switches to original side of Alfa Romeo menu, or hold menu again for a few seconds, it goes back to the Apple CarPlay. There is a phone call, let's decline it for now. And yeah, you can see I can navigate through the command. And it's wireless too. If you're interested to get Apple CarPlay Android Auto for your Alfa Romeo, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.